This is video 3 of Pi mini course. If you haven't checked lesson 1, you can click the link below to get there. In this video, we will talk about editor and regenerator inside Pi. This is where you can do post-render revision, see if there's anything you would like to adjust. You can open the editor and delete sections, or you can go to scene level regeneration. That means you can specify a specific time in the video and then ask to do adjustments. And finally, you can have 4K resolution output so you can edit it yourself. Let's continue. Back in Pi, once you have all the panels and you approve them, you can just click generate video clips. And this can take from 10 to 20 minutes and sometimes 30 minutes. And the animation is done. Let's see what we have. It's 1 minute 15, so this is pretty cool.
Your anger makes you predictable. Focus!
I don't know if I can hold the line. It's tearing me apart.
Hesitation is death. Out there, they won't stop at the edge. You are almost ready. The final threshold is the mind.
I understand now. I'm ready.
All right, so if you notice, there's a couple of things that we can improve here and there, but lucky for us, I can just use the chat, ask for those adjustments. Look, in here it says I can refine my video. All I have to do is here's an example. Change the gun to a magic wand in this time. There's a couple of lip sync errors, but I don't mind because I'm going to edit the audio separately. But what I do want to change is this part. Like, I can take parts of this, but then this makes no sense. So I'm going to remove that character. So that happens from second. Actually, I just asked for this adjustment. This one, I don't like how she's holding the blade. So what I'm saying is change how she holds the sword. Have both hands holding the sword from the handle, never from the blade. And then from second 5 to 10, remove the character Kale and have Sarah alone practicing. So that and many other adjustments. So I'm just gonna click send, and it generated a couple of options for those keyframes. For the first one, I want to use this one. I'm gonna click select that one and then select this one and then click send. And now with those two updates, I'm gonna click regenerate video clip. All right, let's play to see the changes.
Your anger makes you predictable. Focus!
All right, so let me stop the video here because those are the adjustments that we needed. Now, the cool thing is that I can upscale this to 4K. I'm gonna click upscale and then 4K because that will allow me to take this and then create my own editing. Now, you also have access to the video editor. So while this is being created, let's visit the video editor. And basically, this is a very basic, if you have no experience editing video, then this is perfect for you. Like, you can just select a very short sequence and then you can delete that from the video. Now, I don't like this route because I like the audio to keep consistent. And because I'm an advanced video editor, I can take the 4K version and then do wonders with it. But for beginners, I think this is perfect. This is like super easy to use. Now, I'm not going to do any changes. I'm gonna click exit, yes, exit. And then after this is done, I'm going to download it. Another feature that is really cool to have is, I'm gonna visit something else while this is being upscaled, is, okay, so we know we have the video editor, and when I do any tasks like erasing clips, it will show here, but we also have history. Here, you can see what we work with. This was the previous keyframe, which was wrong because she was holding the sword, and this one is the corrected one. So that is pretty cool to see. And we can see the current versions, the adjustments, everything that you have been adjusting so far. So this is really cool. Now I'm going to wait for the upscaled version to be done. Okay, once it's done, it automatically starts playing. So now I can download it. I'm gonna click download upscaled, and I'm gonna save it where I have the rest. This will be render to 4K. And now I can edit it. All right, so after downloading it and doing a little bit of editing, this is the final version.
All your pain, all your past choices have led to this.
If I stop now, everyone I lost would be for nothing.
Focus!
I don't know if I can hold the line.
Your anger makes you predictable.
It's tearing me apart.
You are almost ready. Hesitation is death. Out there, they won't stop at the edge.
Good.
I feel it.
I am ready.
And that's it. If you want to give UTOPAI a try, you can use the link below and get 2,000 credits for free so you can see for yourself if it works for you or not. See you in a future tutorial.